Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're highly most welcome. Please stay tuned, watch to the end. In today's class, we'll be making a palazzo pant for a baby girl, and these are the materials I will be working with. This is my tape roll, my chalk, my fabric, and the rulers I will be working with. So the first thing we'll be doing to fold our fabric into two because we are making the front first. So guys, as you can see, I marked at a starting line and that will serve as my waist. So I removed 1 inches from my band and I marked the waist to my cross line and waist to my hip length. Okay, so I'm just going to rule the waist to my hip length and the my waist to my cross length. So this is it guys. So after ruling it in a straight form, I'm going to divide our hip measurement divide by 4. I'm going to place it there. Then I will add 1 inches to it. Then I will come to the waist, the cross line, and I will also mark what I mark at the waist, which is my hip divide by 4 and 1 inches. Then I'm going to reel it in a straight line like this. So for the extension, which is the cross extension, I'm going to divide hip divide by 16, and whatsoever I have, I'm just going to place it here. So I will just go ahead to connect it like this to meet the hip length like so. So that is that. So I'm just going to mark what I have from here to the end, and whatsoever I have, I'm going to remove 1 inches from it. Okay, so I'm going to place it there and I will remove 1 inches from it. Okay, then I'm just going to connect it this way. So that is it guys. So from here I will come down by half an inch, then I'm going to connect it to the side like so. So that is it for the front. We'll go ahead to cut it, but we are not cutting this part first, but we use it to cut the back before we trace out this other part. Hope you understand. So guys, if you have watched it to this end and you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video you get to see the video. Thank you. So for the side, I'm just going to slice it like this. I'm just going to open it like this. Okay, I'm just going to open it like this. Please like this video, share the video. Okay, thank you, and comment, just say anything on this video. Thank you very much. So that is that. So after that, I'm going to use this one to cut out the back. So I'm just trimming the down parts so that it will be equal. So that is that for the front. So I'm going to fold in another fabric. So guys, I've folded my another fabric, and ensure that you have some allowance at the top and some allowance at the side, which is the center. So you can see I've already placed my front on top of the fabric. Okay, so you can see I placed the side. Must be equal at the side. Okay, it must be equal at the side. So this is how you will place yours if you are making this kind of pants. So I'm just going to pin it down. I'm using my pin to hold the two fabric together so that it will stay in place. So guys, the next step we are going to take is to come to this center and mark 1.5 inches from the first line, not the second line. Okay, so I'm just going to connect it to the side like this. Okay, if you don't understand what I'm explaining, just watch the video and you will understand. So I'm going to extend this line to the 1.5 inches like this. Then I'm going to mark 2 inches. Okay, I'm going to mark 1.5 inches, just 1.5 inches like this. Okay, so at this part here, at this cross extension, I'm making use of 2 inches. Okay, so I went ahead to extend it. So I'm just going to maintain my 2 inches like this. I'm just going to maintain my 2 inches to the hem parts. Just follow the shape of the pants. Then after that, just going to roll it up because the down part must correspond with the front. So just go ahead to connect all the old dots together like this. So for the cross line, which is the extension, you are just still going to curve it. Just going to curve it this way, and you continue your straight rolling. This is how it is. Just extend it to the other side like so. So I'm trying to check my my measurements so that I will not make a mistake there. So that is it for the drafting of the back. So we go ahead to cut it out. Just go ahead to follow your shelf and cut. So at the side, you just go ahead to open it up. Before you open it up, you need to remove the pin. Note that with pins before, so I'm removing my pin. Then I'll remove the front. Then I'm just going to open it up like this. So now for the front, we go ahead to trim that part. Okay, I'm just going to place the front like this. Now we cannot trim this other part here. Now let's do the sewing part. So for the front, I fix it right side facing right side. Then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and stitch by 1/2 inch. So I'm going to do the same thing to the back, stitch by 1/2 inch. So guys, I've sewed it and I open it up to iron it. So I did the same thing to the back. I open it up and ironed it. So now the next step we are going to do is to face the front and the back, right side facing right side. Then I'm just going to place it this way and take it to my sewing machine, run 1/2 inch on both sides. So guys, I've stitched it and I've went ahead to fold the end part like this. So the next step we are going to take is to hold the cross part and face it directly with each other. Then I'm just going to use 1/2 inch to run it from this one leg to the other leg of the pants. So guys, I have run it, I've stitched it, and this is how it is. Okay, so now the next step is for our band. So what we are going to do is to take the measurement round. After taking my measurement, this is what I have. So I'm going to add 1 inches to the 38 for seam allowance. So for the band, for the elastic, I have 1 inches elastic, and this is the round waist measurement, and I deducted 2 inches from the round waist measurement. So I'm just going to measure the 38, which is the 39. Okay, the length is 39 while the width is 1.5. So we deducted 1 inches and I added half an inch for my seam allowance. Okay, so the next step now is to fix the band to the waist, to the pants. So I will first of all, I will remove the 1 inches for the seam allowance. Then I will first of all sew it all round like so. After that, after stitching, I'm placing the right side on the wrong side of the pants, right side of the band to the wrong side of the bed. So I'm going to stitch it round. So guys, after stitching it round, I now to stitch it. I fold it to the right side and I to stitch it at the right side. So after that, I leave a space that I will use to insert my elastic. So I'm just going to bring the elastic in like this, and I will be using a safety pin. It's not safety pin they are calling it, I don't really know that name. So I'm going to use that pin to use it to fix it inside. So after bringing it out like this, I'm just going to place it on top and to stitch on top of the elastic. And here is it after inserting my elastic. So you can see how beautiful it is. So guys, this is the final look. Guys, go ahead to iron your work. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll get to see the video. Share the video for me, please. Just help me to grow this channel, and I'm not taking this offer for granted. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. To see you in my next one.